Hello, it's Dan here. A few days ago, I posted about NativeScript, and I said I would post a little bit more about it. I want to focus today on their playground. Something very well. I honestly just found this button here. I never noticed this. I would always go to playground, but anyways, you can click here. So they have all these options for you to program in. I've played with these first four here, JavaScript, TypeScript, Angular, and Vue. Never worked with React here. I would think of using React Native, and they have Ionic. Again, I think I would use something else if I wanted to use NativeScript. I would go with one of these options, maybe even React. Yeah. Um, but anyways, I would go with Vue. So let's see if we can play here. Cool. Um, Yeah, it is using Vue because that's the one I've been using. Honestly, I don't know if that's because I clicked here or I think it is. Yeah, when I have JS here, if I go to the playground, it'll probably be JS. No, Vue. Well, anyways, that's the one I'm using, so that's what um, we're gonna see here. It is very simple. We have the template. If you have worked with React, for example, you would probably be familiar with this idea or Angular. But let's try to compare to web development. This would be your HTML. This would be your obviously your JavaScript because it is a script, and style just the CSS. This is the to me this is the beauty of NativeScript. It's very similar to web development, so it's not very hard for you to get started. So if I go to data here and I put name, for example, and create my with my name here, Dan, and I transform this into a prop, and I modify this and make it a string. Let me remove that extra quote here, and then concatenate name. That's all I need to put my name concatenated to this string. This is that simple, and this is a very good way for you to play with NativeScript and see if that's for you. Next step, QR code here. It will show you that. It will give you the links to download the Playground app. When you go to the Google Play or Apple Store, you download these two apps. The Playground is the one you need to scan the QR code here. So you basically open the app, click on this thing. It will show you the camera. You just point to your screen, and it will automatically open this preview that will show you the application. I'll post on my stories how this looks. Yeah, that's it. It's that simple. Let me know if you want to build something more complex. If you want to see how that would go in like in Visual Studio Code or something else, like so we can build a little bit of a dev environment because this is not what we should be using if you want to really develop your app. Let me know if you want to go this way. If this doesn't work for you, make sure you go to app.js and you uncomment this line here because at this point it was silent. So if you put silent false, then it means it's not silent. So it will show you a bunch of things in the device logs here down here. All right, let me know. Let me know how it goes, or if you're gonna play with this, if you wanted me to show a little bit more.